Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to download Canva on your phone. So let us get started. First, open your App Store. If you have an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store. And if you have an iPhone, go to the App Store. Next, search for Canva in the search bar. Click on the first result that appears, which should be the official Canva app. Tap on the install button and wait for the app to be fully downloaded and installed on your phone. Once the installation is complete, tap on the open button to launch the Canva app. If you already have a Canva account, you can log in with your credentials. If not, you can create a new account within the app. Now, you are all set to start using Canva on your phone for all your editing and design needs. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.